How to print from Canva. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to print your designs from Canva. Whether it's a flyer, poster or invitation, we'll make it super easy, so let's get started. First things first, open a Canva app, or you can go to the Canva website at canva.com and simply log into your account. Now go to the design that you want to print. Now double check your layout, text and images. Once everything looks perfect, it's time to move to the next step. Now click on the share button and simply click on download. Now you'll be given several options for file formats. For printing, I recommend choosing PDF print. Now simply download it. Once your file is downloaded, open it on your computer. Simply go to the file option and open it. Now simply click the print button. And that's it. You can simply adjust your printer settings, and that's it. You can simply print your Canva design now. And that's it. You now know how to print your designs from Canva.